Hello students, good morning. Today we will read the chapter 4. We will read chapter 4 mathematics, that is use of number line. Use of number line. First we have to know what is number line. Number line means a straight line. Number line means a straight line on which numbers are marked. You see the picture how the number line is. Okay, through the by the number line we can add or subtract small numbers. How can we add or subtract small numbers by the help of number line? Now we will see. The example is add 4 and 3. See the example, 4 and 3. We have to add 4 and 3. First we have to keep in mind that we have to start at 0. Any addition or subtraction, when we have to add or subtract, we have to start at 0. Here also we start from 0 and first add 4 and 3. First 4 and then 3. First we have to take 4 steps. From 0, when we will take 4 steps, we will reach at 4. You see the picture? Then again 3 steps forward. From 4, when we will go forward 3 steps, then we will reach 5, 6 and 7, then 3 steps. So the addition of 4 and 3 is 7. You see the picture? Okay. Now we will do some problems in the exercise. You see the first problem. There is a number line and also a question. 2 plus 7. We have to write the answer in the box. See the box? What will the answer? And we have to draw the lines on the number line. First we will start from 0 and first we have to take 2 steps, because here we have to add 2 plus 7. So we will first take 2. See the picture? Then again we will take 7 steps forward from 2. From 2, 7 steps forward means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where we will reach at 9. So 2 plus 7 equal to 9. When we will see the picture, we can easily understand. You see, 2 plus 7 equal to 9. We will put 9 in the box. Then the figure, see the figure, and the question is 2 plus 5. We will start from 0. First we have to take 2 steps forward and we will reach at 2. See the picture? Then we will take 5 steps again forward and we will reach at where? At 7. So see the picture? So 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Understood? Then the next question is 9 plus 5. First we have to take 9 steps from 0. When we will take 9 steps from 0, we will reach at 9. Then plus 5 means we have to take 5 steps forward from 9. From 9, you see the picture, from 9 again we will take 5 steps and we will reach at where? 9. Then 5 steps forward means 14. 9 plus 5 equal to 14. You see the picture? Okay. Next, 5 plus 10. We will start from where? 0. We have to take how many steps forward? 5 steps, because there is question is 5 plus 10, and then we will take 10 steps forward from 5. From 5, when we will take 10 steps, we will reach at 15. So the answer is 15. 5 plus 10 equal to 15. Okay. Next, you see, subtraction of small numbers can be done with the help of the number line. Subtraction of the small numbers can also be done with the help of the number line. How? You see how subtraction can be done. You see the picture here. The question is 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. We have to start from where? From 0, and take 8 steps forward, means we will reach at 8. You see the picture. First start from 0 and take 8 steps forward, and then we will reach at 8. Then minus 3. That means minus means backward steps. We have to take backward steps. From 8 we have to take backward steps, 3 backward steps. Where we will reach? We will reach at 5. So the answer is 5. You see the picture clearly. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Okay. Now we will do some exercise problems. You see the first picture. Problem is 7 minus 4 equal to dash. We will write the answer in the box. First we will take 7 steps forward from where? From 0. We will reach at 7. When we starts from 0 and take 7 steps forward, then we will reach at 7. Then minus 4 means we have to take 4 backward steps from 7. Then we will reach at where? From 7 we will take 4 backward steps. Where we will reach? We will reach at 3. So the answer is 3. 7 minus 4 equal to 3. You see the picture. Next question is 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. We will draw first 9 steps forward from 0. We will take 9 steps forward, then we will reach at 9. See the picture. Okay. Then minus 5 means we have to take 5 backward steps from 9. When we will take 5 backward steps, we will reach at where? 5 backward steps from 9. Then we will reach at 4. Okay. So the answer is 4. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Next question is 12 minus 7. Here we will start from 0 and have to take 12 steps forward. We will reach at 12. When starting from 0 we will take 12 steps forward, we will reach at 12. Then minus 7 means 7 backward steps from where? From 12. 12 from 12, 7 backward steps means where we will reach? We will reach at 5. So the answer is 5. You see the picture clearly. 12 minus 7 equal to 5. The next question is 13 minus 3. First we have to take 13 steps forward from 0. When we will take 13 steps forward, we will reach at 13. Okay. From 13 we have to subtract 3, means we have to take 3 backward steps from 13. 3 backward steps means we will reach at From 13, 3 backward steps. That means we will reach at 10. So the answer is 10. 13 minus 3 equal to 10. The last question is 15 minus 11. 15 steps forward. From where? From 0. When we will take 15 steps forward, we will reach at 15. Then 11 minus 11 means 11 steps backward from 15. From 15, when we will take 11 steps backward, where we will reach? 15. From 15, we will take 11 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, count like 11. Up to 11, we will reach at 4. Okay, so the answer is 4. 15 minus 11 equal to 4. The answer is 4. Okay.